When in this weather many people are getting sick, especially the kids, so as to defend against cough, cold, and fever, try this yummy bitter gourd fry. And I am sure this bitter gourd fried recipe will instantly bring the flavor in your taste bud. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's check the ingredient to make this yummy healthy recipe. And the ingredients are salt, turmeric powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, yogurt, coriander powder, with that garlic chopped, onion chopped, and our most healthy bitter gourd. Now let's begin our recipe. First of all, take the bitter gourd, wash it thoroughly, then with a knife make round shape. This Karela Fry recipe is slightly spicy and tangy, which balance the bitter tones of the Karela. The bitter gourd fry gets done super quickly and has a unique profile flavor. After once you are done with the cutting, if you want, you can remove in between parts or else you can keep it. I am using with the inner part too. Now place this bitter gourd in a mixing bowl. Then slowly add all the masalas. First of all, add half teaspoon of coriander powder, then add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for the color, half teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, and 1 teaspoon of yogurt to bind everything with the bitter gourd. Then with your hand, give a good massage so the masala are well coated. This bitter gourd recipe is very simple to make and turns out to be very good. If you are one who does not like the flavor of bitter gourd, then this is a must-try recipe. Now, slowly drop in the bitter gourd pieces in 1 tablespoon of oil and fry them in a very low flame until it turns crispy from both the sides. While frying, you need to flip the bitter gourd 3 to 4 times so that it turns nicely crispy from all the sides. When it comes to flavors, the bitter gourd has most of the times been at the lowest position for the biggest of foodies. The simple reason is its bitter taste. But we can't really miss on the health benefits that this vegetable has in store for us. Here's the sneak peek to what your body may miss out on if you are not consuming the bitter gourd. Karela or bitter gourd is a storehouse of vitamin C, vitamin B, and even minerals like calcium, iron, and phosphorus. It helps to purify our blood. If you are a borderline diabetic or even diabetic, you must include Karela in your diet right away. It is excellent for you. Karela helps in tackling the problem of constipation and piles. Now you can see our Karela or bitter gourd is done from one side. So flip the other side and continue this process for 2 to 3 times until all the bitter gourd slices are crispy enough in a very low flame. You can see our bitter gourd slices are almost done and turned so nicely crispy. So remove it from the pan and keep aside for the later part of the recipe. Onto that same pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, then drop in 1 medium onion chopped and 5 to 8 garlic chopped. Stir it in a medium flame, then add little salt. Again stir it for some time so that it changes its color and turns light brown. After stirring it for 2 to 3 minutes, then we will add our fried bitter gourd slices into this mixture and again stir it for 1 minute. Then remove it from the pan and serve hot in a serving plate. Then serve this fry with rice, dal, ghee, or as a side with the rasam rice, sambar rice, and curd rice. This bitter gourd is said to be one of the veggies that regulates blood sugar level, purify your blood, and instantly enhance your taste bud when you are sick and on under medication. And if this recipe helps you to improve all this, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes you get the notification first. And if you don't like, then also comment below with all your valuable feedbacks. And thanks for watching. See you again with another new episode of Cooking Story. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. Bye bye.